Kanyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization nekasngi palay kalai kendo yo President ka Bharatiya Janata Party ba Ernest Mauri Dawa bat Phah Tohkit hake Enforcement Directorate bat ka Central Bureau of Investigation ya ki Jingbam sab hapo ka Jylla. Ka Hito kala seiru ya ka thop jong ka Jingthoh kam jersey bakan thop ya ka kam khai deu yong ka kam thong nong hikai ka Jingbam khaw ka tanat social welfare ka Saubhagya scheme ka Jingthoh ya ka ISBT ka Jingthoh ya ka yeng dorbar thawan ka Jylla ki kambam sab ha ki autonomous district council ka smart meter smart city bat ka Jingthet kali ki pulen.
Hiti naga Jylla Integrated Territorial Organization Hito bagi ormo ngadang suluk mentan man ayo priang dang mentan ngan puli bani Iaka bat dia ke bagi dia manle ni hak manle kum ko jing Dawa ju sen jong pin mana ngit skem ba kini ki Jingthoh ba PI ba kawin ki mat ba PI ka CBI inquiry ki di te nakaliang yung laro kung state president ng CPI kani bala don kam man Phah Jingthoh po siya kibor rin man Thoh po dali ro kan Phah bala rin man Phah siya la government po ngilar man Phah te phep na bor bagi sa communicate pa dipi
sebab ke memang ingin kuat mendiskus dengan batai yang fikir mana badai lami nak fikir ya kan kamdin nak fikir dan ki bahaya di jong fikir mana keren lor kata berpinjam di Tohkit lah, ini kadang kaseng ila dapat pinjam sebiak, nado ukar hajar katsau, ter hadu ke pemerintah, kenang berpinjam berbudin, mungkin jika isu ban Dawa ya kata ban Phah loh, ya kata CBI inquiry dan kata ID, hampir nilai spesifik, tik bet, kamden juga nasyo, long kuman cu highlight, nanti bertanya fikir dia noh, long ya ke pemerintah sudah ni, kadai bet ya kaneka kebenaran kong ni te kadai kene mo ka EDC fund scam ka teacher recruitment scam dan nanti kene ka call scam ISBT scam Saubhagya scam new assembly building scam dan nanti ka smart meter scam smart city scam in purchase ya ka use of police vehicles ka headquarter te halor kini kita ngai bitang ga batmai tan dai mandu kat kum tu ka kanemo ko memo ko ngila Phah lingbaw governor hamni kla shay bit ka report clear bai kane ko baga an subrim te hikin tin no wai ko memo on April kalian juga saya cai tio singkme kumbangila om menin ba mentar si ngin li kendo yo presiden yang state yang BJP oh ngila oni kendo bat ngila ay kane ka dorkhas habaya dai bagan ni Dawa ya kata CBI inquiry bat enforcement directorate halor ki skandal ke baper ke skandal hi kabnungkong ya ka pemerintah usnam ni keren ya kane ka call scam lana ta ka ruyong ka social welfare department rice scam Saubhagya scam ISBT scam ka new assembly building scam EDC fund scam smart meter scam smart city scam in purchase use of police vehicles in the headquarters. They halor ini gila ya keren, bat nakaliang jong presiden jong ka BJP jong ka state jong makilaru ula ai ka commitment un syangkya bun Phah na sedalhi bat in up kato kadni sngi dak hapo stayo te lada kani ka BJP kamla le ben le yeng te ngin meneng la do keren uro basai bangin wat ko appointment Home Ministry Affair bangin kendo Menteri Korbari Amit Shah ni don jengkermen baga nakalian ko BJP kan manra ya kata ka CB yang pwede bat ID bat kimdei rupan long kum tu slap kum perthat lakyang ban syukudur hendrei im slapa te kumban syupun suk susu yaki menakan ya kat kum katu ka kerwo ka bangila i leng ba kilat patai ko bor to he jong BJP ulong ba kin sa pembiang kita ki kot isla habaya day ya kata ka ban budden ni ka CBI inquiry lan ni kita idi tena kalian jungi ngila pembiang da ki Jingthoh pat ya kata ka report ngila ai bet ka bangan tulia menta te ka dai gumni mo On April 17, 2014, the NGT banned illegal rat hole mining all over Meghalaya after all Dimasa student unions and the Dima Hasao District Committee filed a petition that highlighted the unscientific and unregulated rat hole mining operation in Jylla Hills. However, the following protest by the mining lobby, the tribunal allowed the transport of already mined coal. Kabaar kadai ka Jingbam jong police inspector officer in charge Patar Khama opposed Riboy was found mysteriously shot inside his official quarter in Patar Khama on January 24, a day after detaining 32 coal-laden truck flying illegally on the Patar Khama route. It's alleged that a massive corrupt cover-up was done by the higher up to make it look like suicide. On 20 March 2018, the president of Jylla Youth Federation, Jylla was found murdered at Kriat on Monday night. Police said the youth leader, who was also an RTI activist, was murdered by an unidentified miscreant. On 8 November 2018, noted anti-corruption and women's rights activists of Meghalaya, Agnes Karsiang and her colleague Amita Sangma, were brutally attacked by unidentified person in Jylla Hills, about 120 kilometers from state capital Shillong. Ms. Karsiang received severe head injuries in the attack. On the 13th December 2018, a group of 15 coal miners were trapped and died in some area of Lumthari village after the coal mine was flooded by water from the nearby Litin River. Indian Navy and NDRF personnel were deployed to extract the bodies. On 2nd January 2019, a citizen report prepared by civil society group in Meghalaya and submitted to the Supreme Court earlier this month, submitted through the amicus in the case Colin Gonsalves, Liz Vincent Pala, Lok Sabha MP and 4 ministers in the Conrad Sangma-led government and 7 MLA alleging that men or their relatives are coal mines owner. This is just a sample from the political class. An independent audit of coal mines will reveal that many high-ranking bureaucrats, technocrats, police people are involved in the mining business, the report said. On 7 January 2020, Meghalaya Lokayukta direct CBI to conduct inquiry into the alleged racket involved in the illegal transport of coal, boulders and betel nuts in the state based on the FIR filed against the Superintendent of Police East Jylla District. And considering the alleged involvement of high-ranking civil and official, not surprising all the state government challenged this very order in the Meghalaya High Court. On 11 February 2020, Home Minister Meghalaya was stripped of the home portfolio for his alleged involvement in the illegal transportation of coal. This did not deter the coal mafia, as it now appears that the coal mafia network has everyone in their payroll. On 4th March 2020, 4 persons, including a brother of Meghalaya Revenue Minister, was arrested in Guwahati along with 24 coal-laden trucks. On March 18, 2021, based on petition from leader opposition Meghalaya Lokayukta for the second time, has advised the state government to recommend CBI inquiry to find out the mastermind of this large-scale illegal mining and transportation of coal by very powerful syndicate. On 1st September 2021, based on civil society protests, government assured to close down 31 illegal factories in East Jylla Hills. Kidai kini report long bangilaan banwat but nakaliang jong presiden ru ula kubur bo yakan ni report pun Phah but kalau long ke besuk jaki ban shem bat ban Phah ya kata ka dor khas ke jungi shadelhi bat Phah sisa ya kata ka CBI bat ka idi hanya po gajelaj tangi kermen scam makin le but ladakim le ru ngin khen ba BJP ka ka ba su he tang tian henry ladakale ka kam tangi ngin pet ba ka jingkrang jong mudi ka dai na em ko buwong na khaunga na khane dong ka baling ong bangidon ke jing shania badai to ngim ong than hia ka party ba ngila I ka jing shania kadai ka lingba menteri rang ba do prime minister Narendra Modi ngila I sha ba don ki ngamong baro don ki kat to kan ni bu la Phah sha ba kila yo ya kata ka hok kat kum kata ka corruption don hiru ki bu ki bla sha kem ki bla sha system kumwa tanghasian kumapo Kalkata ru pekat kan no kontrol kami itu mula Phah ye ke info dari kapat ngnir mangai scam ba ka BJP kan le bat ko dan kambat wat ha ka covid lada minister hatu ko por don minister jong ka BJP ba health minister hang tur ya bamentai hi wat ringir ngidang smu phalai ko covid ka ba poi dagi pho ko dagi spa krot ka jinglot hang ni Tangi ngai scam bayar kan ni ru modi unum randian rela dewan pinstom bi di khor dewan pinstom. Tangi don ke jingshani hadu kata itu but lada u feel ban ai kata ke jingshani hangi ki paj ba jong kam nikla ko ngirum juba cek ai ko